Hey yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ken Ray is back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing Subway Surfers. I don't know why I decided to do this, but I haven't done a video, and this is actually a pretty fun game. Uh, you know, so I don't know why I'm trying this out, but yeah, I just wanted to try something different. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video, and while I'm playing, I'm gonna be doing the Royal Rumble predictions. So yeah, guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and yeah, I'm gonna be using first Tricky. So let's get started. So the first, Sheamus versus Shorty G. I think Sheamus is gonna win, to be honest, and these are gonna be my honest opinions. So Sheamus versus Shorty G. I think Sheamus is gonna win, cause I don't think he's gonna lose his first match back. So yeah, next, King Corbin versus Roman Reigns. I think Roman Reigns is gonna win, cause I know Dolph Ziggler or Robert Roode are gonna probably help King Corbin, but then the Usos could help Roman Reigns, and I think Roman Reigns is gonna win. So next, Becky Lynch versus Asuka. I think Becky Lynch is gonna win. So yeah, just Becky Lynch is gonna win. I'm not gonna say anything else because I already know Becky Lynch is gonna win. So next, Humberto Carrillo versus Andrade for the U.S. title. I think Andrade is gonna win. I really want Humberto Carrillo to win, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So yeah. Next, Lacey Evans versus Bayley, and Bayley's gonna win, but I really want Lacey Evans to win, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So yeah. And next, the Women's Royal Rumble. I'll probably choose Ronda Rousey, but if she doesn't return, I'll choose Charlotte Flair. I would also like Sasha Banks to win, but I'll choose Charlotte Flair. So yeah. And The Fiend versus Daniel Bryan. Again, I want Daniel Bryan to win, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Hopefully, it does happen, but The Fiend Bray Wyatt right now is unstoppable. So yeah, I don't think he could win him. So I'm just being honest. So and oh dang it, no, oh dang it, no, I'm not. Right. So yeah, and now for the last one, my last one, the Men's Royal Rumble. So to be honest, I want Roman to win, but I don't think he's gonna win. So I'll choose Edge if he does return, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So if he doesn't return, or CM Punk, there's at least 5% chance out of 100 that he's gonna return. So yeah, I don't think he's gonna return, but if he does, of course I will choose him. But for right now, I'll probably choose Randy Orton, or probably even Drew McIntyre, but I'll choose Randy Orton. So those are my predictions for the Royal Rumble. And yeah, guys, this is my final game. Hopefully, it could be my high score, but I don't think it's gonna happen because look at my high score in the right top run. That's my high score. So I don't think I'm gonna beat it, but I'm gonna try. Right now, let me get concentrated in this. Right, come on. Let's do this. Oh, the shoe. I could get the shoe. Dang it. Oh, I almost died there. Alright, come on. We're at 210 coins. 15. Alright. Alright, there's a key right there. I'm actually doing pretty good. Alright. No, no, no. Oh, that was close. Oh my gosh, this is going a little bit faster. Alright, oof, that was close. I don't know how I'm still alive. I still have a long way to beat my high score. So, no, dang it. I lost. So, yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed my Royal Rumble predictions. And, yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll do another video probably today. I don't know what, but I'll probably do another one. And not, this is going to be the video for today, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully 3 vlogs tomorrow. And my cousins come, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy it.